Hey, wonderful students. We're going to be working on the song Memories. We're going to take it nice and easy with root position for the chords in the key of C. First, we start with the C chord. Here's the C note and the C chord. Here's to the ones that we've the G chord got. Then the A minor chord is the next one up. Here's to the wish you were to the E minor chord. Your thumb's on the E. Here, but you're not, 'cause the F chord. Drinks bring back all the C chord down here. Memories of F chord. Everything we've been G chord through. Back to the C chord up here. To the G chord. Now to the A minor chord. Your thumb's on the A. And pretty much these are all to the E chord. Your fingers are exactly the same for all the chords. Here's the F chord, then the C chord, then the F chord, and then the C chord, and then back to the C and octave. Here's to the one, to the G major chord, to the A minor chord, to the E minor chord, to the F chord, to the C chord, to the F, and then the G. And then back to C. And the whole song follows that same exact chord progression: C, G, A minor, E minor, F, C, F, G. Repeat it over and over again. Sing away, have fun with it.